Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. Sunday morning, the day Robin and I go shopping. I had last week's menus way planned, way before Friday. But I did get my shopping list done on Friday. So we went shopping. We actually had a very low grocery bill for the week. It's because I have proteins in the freezer for this week, and I adjusted the menu and recipes for the proteins that we had stored up in the freezer. Okay, let's go to last night. Last night, I did spinach and cheese lasagna rolls. And I'm getting a big, huge thumbs up from Robin across the room. It was delightful, excellent, fantastic, all the wonderful words. Of course, me being who I am, the recipe got doctored and I made it my own. I casual chefed it, as we say here in the house. So it ended up being very good. It's definitely a repeat. It's a little bit of work, but actually, like I told Robin, I would rather do the roll-ups than do a true, layered lasagna. Working with the cheese was a lot easier. The recipe is already online. It's already in the group. Check it out. It has all the changes in it. So today, one of the proteins I had left over or stored away was a pound of shrimp. So today what am I doing today? I am doing a Salsa Verde shrimp and rice. So here's all the ingredients. Robin was warming up soup and getting her bread for her lunch, so that's why we're on the prep table. So we got some rice. I'm cheating, but I'm using a very good Salsa Verde from a company that I get a lot of my salsas from. We got some jalapenos, a red bell pepper, garlic, of course, an onion, vegetable stock, olive oil, kosher salt, black pepper, and dewy sausage. And there's the shrimp, which I will defrost and clean up, get the tails removed. This afternoon, the cilantro. We got some cumin, Mexican oregano, and coriander. So there you have it. That's what I have going on today and for tonight. So have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.